All right, today I'm out at my parents' place. We're going to be installing PVC underground piping for the rain gutters. We're going to be starting on this side of the house here today. We got one downspout coming down here at the side of the house. Goes right next to these propane tanks here. So we're gonna have to dig a hole down through the ground here, come out here with a 90-degree elbow, and then we're gonna follow this yard at a slight slope, connect in with this second downspout at the rear of the house. This one I just put in a couple weeks ago, actually. Added that rain gutter to the top there. Going to connect both of those together, and the pipe's going to terminate over the side of the bank here. So as you can see, this is the piece that goes on the end of the tube. It's got a nice screen to allow water to come out. It's also got a flap that lifts up here and allows debris to come out. So if you get debris in your gutters and it going down your pipe, this allows that debris to drain freely. And then the screen also keeps rodents from crawling up into the pipe itself. I will put the affiliate link down in the video description. If you guys wanted to buy this, you could pick this up, give it a whirl on your setup and see how it goes. So here's Georgie today. He's gonna be helping us dig.
Hopefully find gold.
It's about 3 feet. Sorts of rocks in here. Alright, so we ran into our first set of problem here. The lightning rod is right in the way of this downspout here.
Hey, turned.
Oh! Think about get that back down there.
No wonder I couldn't pull it out.
Oh my god.
There it is.
Keep digging all these rocks out of the ground here. Good old rocks. Rocky, rocky.
Whoa, we're having fun now.
Get a good slope on her. All right, so I'm getting ready to connect the first downspout down into the second one here. Got this hole dug. This is where the sanitary tee goes. You can see it's sanitary because it has this long swoosh to it. So it's going to fit in there that way, and the water's going to whoosh towards the bank over there. Primer there, and then we got regular clear cement. Hold that for about 10-15 seconds. That should be good. All right, so we just finished this project up as far as gluing it up. See, everything's glued solid here. Looking good. We got a nice pitch on here. About a full bubble all the way to the bank. It slightly gets about a quarter of a bubble in the middle here, but the rest is pretty good. I think this will run the water nicely over the bank here. Georgie's filling in the end portion here. I know Georgie had fun with this project today.
Oh, yeah. Never enough exercise.
And if we go down over the bank here, this is all glued solid here, and this is the screen to allow the water and debris out, but keep rodents from going in. Wasn't super cheap, but it's decent quality. Then we got her tied with a 4-inch clamp there, hose clamp, dryer clamp, tied to the post here with some wire.
Farming wire.
All right, so we're 100% done with the gutter on that side of the house. Now this is the trial run right here. We got a hose stuffed down into the pipe there. Nice clean outs on these just in case the drain gets plugged. You can snake it. Let's go take a look at the flow over the bank here. Oh boy, we're just pouring out of there. There's the old test right there. I think that looks pretty good.
Sun's shining, it ain't even raining. How's that?
Yeah. I like that. That's good flow right there, ladies and gentlemen. Well, yeah, this probably will erode over time if we don't get something here. All right, so we are back. This is another day. We're getting ready to do the other side of the house. As you can see, we got all the scheduled 44-inch PVC laid out here, ready to go. And we're gonna set our line up here to dig the trench for this. I just wanted to point this out, that on the other side of the house, I went with the sanitary T fitting to tap in the second downspout. Now, although this will work, and it'll work fine, it will, however, slow down the water as it's coming in through this top side. So as the water's dropping in, it's not going to keep that momentum to push the water down and out the other end of the fitting, because this drops in so straight here. So it's actually recommended that you use a long sweep Y fitting here. Now this is a combination Y, and you can see that it has a much longer sweep on it. And what that does is, as the water's coming in this side here, it'll actually sweep the water and keep that momentum going as it connects in with the water that's coming in from this side of the pipe. So this is a sanitary T, regular sanitary T. This is a combination long sweep Y fitting. So that's the one we're going to use on this side of the house. You're actually not supposed to use sanitary T's on their side or on their back like this. Sanitary T's are only recommended to use in the vertical configuration like so. So on the other side of the house, if you remember, I had it laying on its side like that. And that's actually a no-no for this fitting here. I didn't know that at the time. So we're gonna go with this one on this side of the house, and we're gonna see how this is gonna work. All right, so Georgie's got the line here. I have to go run and get a tape measure.
Go get a tape measure.
So if you guys remember, on the other side of the house, we went 3 feet out with the line, and then we dug on the opposing side of that line. Oh, too far. Yep, it's pretty good. Yep. We actually went a little bit deeper on this side than we did the other side of the house. You can see right there, we probably got a good 10 inches maybe coming down on this side. Hopefully that keeps the pipe under the ground a little bit more on the outfall end here. Give that a little prime. Prime the outside of the pipe, inside of the fitting. Give her a little twist, give her a little hold. Slight twist. Yep. Beautiful.
Gotta be some pitch on it.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
19 and a half.
Well, we might have it off of this piece.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters. They're just doubters.
Let's get that action sound.
I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
All right, we are all buttoned up here. Now it's time for the official test run. Put the hose down the clean out port there.